Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Toyota Hilux 2004 to 2015? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in Toyota Hilux 2004 to 2015 manages electrical circuits for interior components such as power windows, mirrors, interior lights, and audio system. Also supports safety features like airbags, central locking, and various control modules. Additional fuse box. The additional fuse box, before June 2011 in the Toyota Hilux, handles the power supply for extra electrical equipment and optional accessories installed before June 2011. The additional fuse box from June 2011 in the Toyota Hilux distributes power to upgraded electrical systems and additional accessories introduced from June 2011 onward. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in Toyota Hilux 2004 to 2015 controls and protects major engine-related circuits, including ignition, fuel system, cooling, and charging components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, Please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.